Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be doing a review of the newest products launched by the brand called Makeup by Mario. If you've never heard of the brand, it is a brand that's available on Sephora. It is Mario, I forget his last name, but he is Kim Kardashian's makeup artist. I have tried his contour stick, his blush stick, probably my favorite cream contour of all time so far that I've ever tested. And also probably one of my favorite cream blushes. So I have very high hopes for these next two products that we're going to be testing today. So this is going to be a lip video. We have the Ultra Suede Sculpting Lip Liner and the Ultra Suede Lipstick. So we're going to go ahead and see how these babies turn out. So first, let's go ahead with the lip liner. So I have this one in the shade Hue, which is a pinky nude. This is supposed to be a precision dual-ended lip liner that defines, sculpts, limitlessly shapes the lips to create the illusion of a fuller pout. It is a full coverage matte formula that is infused with emollients for extra comfort and does not feather or bleed. It also has lip lock technology, which extends the wear of your lipstick, and contour shape technology that creates the ideal definition for any lip shape. As I said, is dual-ended, which is supposed to help blend and blur the color to perfection. And it also actually does come with a sharpener, which I love to see. I just think that that takes it to a new level, you know, for maybe somebody who doesn't have a lip pencil sharpener. It definitely comes in handy to always even have extras. I always love to see when you're purchasing a product and it's coming with the stuff that's not necessary for a brand to include, but they kind of go above and beyond for their consumers. So this is the actual lip liner. It is just a basic wooden lip pencil, which I do really enjoy. If I'm gonna have to sharpen it, I want it to be wooden. I hate when they have like plastic lip liners, like plastic casing, and then you have to sharpen it with a regular sharpener. That's the wildest idea to me. It makes no sense. So it is nice to see that it's just a basic wooden like pencil. And then on the other end, it comes with this nice brush, which, as it said, you can use to kind of blend out the edges. You could also use it for other lip products as well. Actually, let me swatch this for you. So this is the shade Hue. I'm gonna make a larger swatch just so you can see the shade. It looks like it has a really nice and like velvety, well, I guess suede-y kind of texture. Like it's matte, but it looks like very creamy at the same time and nice and pigmented. I love that shade, that nice pinky nude. Let's just talk about the lipstick and then we'll just do the whole lip. So the Ultra Suede lipstick, I got this one in the shade Kate, which is supposed to be a dirty, rosy nude. This is the packaging. I really, really like the look of it. It's very sleek and clean, just like the contour stick. And it's actually very satisfying because it's magnetically held together. So I don't know why, it just feels, it doesn't like snap together. Like it's just, you pull it and it effortlessly comes off and then you just like, it just snaps back together. This is what the actual bullet looks like. And it actually reminds me of the Pat McGrath. I said this in the haul that I recently did, which is when I talked about these products for the first time. I will link the haul down below, but it reminds me of the Pat McGrath lipstick because it just looks very, very matte. Like you almost can see the texture on it. And it's just very satisfying to look at. Really, really like the shade as well. So it's like a little bit lighter than the lip liner. So I think it's gonna be a really nice mix. This is supposed to be a next gen weightless matte lipstick that's super comfortable with a soft suede-like feel and a soft focus finish. It's supposed to be hydrating and long wearing, ultra comfortable, non-drying. Features duo seed oil, which moisturizes and softens the lips for super sensorial, addictive glide. Blur filter technology in the form of smoothing gels offers smooth matte soft focus coverage in a single stroke. The lipstick looks very lightweight yet very matte, but also creamy. Like it's an interesting formula. I really like the look of them, but let's go ahead and see how they actually apply. Okay, so there's a couple comments I have to say about this. All good things so far. Really love the pigmentation of it, love the color. I just feel like a good old wooden pencil is the best because they are so precise, and it's going to be very easy to keep it that precise because it is so easily sharpenable. Very easy. Like, I actually will be honest with you, the thing I think I struggle with the most when it comes to makeup is my lips, because I just wish I had bigger lips. Especially I feel like when I line them, sometimes it almost emphasizes how small they are, or how uneven they are. And some lip liners can be difficult to really get in there and really just precisely contour the lip. This is so nice. Very precise, very pigmented. It has almost like this blurring effect, and I haven't even blended it out yet. So pretty. What I'm gonna do is kind of contour a little bit, like fill in down here on the outer edges, and we'll try to blend with the brush. P.S. My lips are super dry, so please don't judge me. Like, they're like flaky. It's because my heat's been on and I always go through this period. Oh yeah, that's nice. It kind of just softens the edges and pulls a little bit of the pigment in. Really, really like this lip liner so far. What I'm gonna do is write in the description below how long each of these products wore for me as well, so that you guys can kind of get an idea of how long they actually wear too. So the lipstick, let's go ahead and try this baby out. Okay, so really like the lipstick as well. Really comfortable. Feels almost kind of balmy in a sense, like, but it has that like suede feel. Like, it really truly does. Yeah, it feels like my lips are suede. I'm not even lying to you guys. No lie. But it does look very matte without looking dry. Now my lips, to be fair, are very dry right now. So the fact that I have a matte on matte and my lips look like this, I'm very impressed. Definitely not drying upon application. Love the combo. Ooh, I love it. I love it, guys. I love it so much. So yeah, what I'm gonna go ahead and do is kind of wear these over the next couple of days, and I will get a good feel of how long they wear, and then I will also write down in the description box below in case any of you are wondering how they actually wear for long periods of time. So yeah, if you're interested in that, don't forget to check the description box down below. But as of right now, I am a huge fan of these two products right here. I definitely will continue to be testing them, and potentially will be looking into purchasing more shades. I honestly, if I don't know. Now I don't know. I feel like right now, I personally am a bigger fan of the lip liner, just because it really is something that I've noticed a big difference in terms of like my other products. But this also has a feel that I don't know if I've ever felt before. Like, it's a very comfortable lipstick, but very lightweight. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, give me a thumbs up. I hope you guys did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.